Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set your Discord status to automatically clear after 30 minutes. Whether you're stepping away for a short break, taking lunch, or just want Discord to reset your custom status automatically, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your account settings. Once the app loads, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture right there. Go ahead and tap it. Next, you'll be taken to your user settings page. Here, you'll see your username, current activity, and several profile options. Now, find the section labeled Set Status and tap on Add Status. This is where you can create a custom message for your friends and server members to see. Type in whatever you'd like your status to be. It could be something simple like "Be right back," "Working," or "On a short break." Once you've written your message, you'll notice an option below it that says Clear After. This is the feature that controls when your status automatically disappears. Tap on Clear After and you'll see a few different timing options appear. Choose 30 minutes from the list. This tells Discord to remove your status half an hour after you set it, so you don't have to come back and clear it manually. After that, just tap Save or Done, and your changes will be applied instantly.